Paano ba ito gamitin o gawin?
VJ Mark, ano ba nangyari sa'yo? Ba't kanina ka pa dyan pa?
VJ Shani, may problema ako. Hindi ko kasi alam kung paano ko sisimulan yung content na to.
Ano ba yan?
Hindi ko alam kung ano dapat, background o angulo. Wala pa ako nagagawang script.
So, kailan mo ba kailangan yan?
Ngayon na.
As in, ay, nako, VJ Mark, tama-tama. Dahil sa pag-uusapan natin at sa bagong segment natin dito sa Coffee House Chat Behind the Notes. For sure, makakatulong.
Oo. Sige, gusto ko yan. Sige, pakilala mo nga yan sa akin.
Welcome and mabuhay! I'm your VJ Shannon.
I'm your VJ Mark.
At ito ang Coffee House Chat Behind the Notes
Season 2!
Ayan, VJ Mark, di ba sinasabi mo nga kanina, may problema ka pagdating
Oo,
sa
VJ Shannon.
Nandito na yung guest natin ngayon na alam kong sigurado na makakatulong sa'yo. Kaya naman sa mga kabuwisenyo at kabuwisenyo natin, let us all welcome Mr. Brian.
Hello!
Hello po, Sir Brian!
Ayan, hello po.
Maraming salamat, VJ Shannon and VJ Mark.
Yes, thank
and
you so
binabati
much.
ko po ang ating mga kabusenyo at kabusenya out there who's watching and listening sa ating episode today.
Yes, thank you so much po. Kasi Sir Brian, kanina may problema si VJ
Ano
Mark.
problema mo,
Yan, go
Mark?
VJ Mark.
VJ
Pag
Shannon.
sa
Sir
pag-ibig,
Brian.
wala akong pwedeng palit dyan, ha?
Fix yung heart ko.
Fix
Okay,
naman.
oo.
Masaya yung
Good, good,
kanya.
good.
Wala, sa content lang, Sir
Content.
Brian. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko sisimulan yung script, kung anong dapat kong ilagay sa content. Kasi syempre, sa panahon ngayon, techie tayo. So, hindi natin alam kung anong dapat gamitin na application, tamang camera, or dapat background. So, yun talaga yung naging problema ko.
Naku, hindi ko alam kung makakatulong ako sa'yo. Pero kung makakatulong ako sa'yo, for sure, kung anong output na kailangan mo para maging viral, perhaps.
Yes,
ang
viral,
video.
yes.
I think a lot of our viewers right now, if you have a business as well, gusto natin yan.
Yes.
Usapan natin, VJ Mark.
Yes, pag-usapan natin yan, Sir Brian, and VJ Shannon.
Yes, go VJ Mark.
So, before natin, sino nga ba si Sir Brian? So,
Anong
Pakilala
meron
muna
kay
ako.
Sir Brian? Pakilala muna ni Sir Brian kasi dito po, Sir Brian, sa Coffee House Chat namin, laging namin tinatanong, sino ba si Sir Brian or sino po yung
Yes.
mga nagiging guest namin? Go.
Maraming salamat. Hi everyone, my name is Brian Ordiales. I am a business owner and a content creator. I do podcasts, but I also produce and build podcast studios actually.
Wow!
Yes, ang bongga.
Podcast. So, sa mga podcast nyo po ba, di ba, may nakakasama po ba kayo doon? Tapos,
yeah.
di ba may mga topic yon na alam natin dapat magte-trend yun? Kasi, yun, pag nakipakinggan natin, or bilang youth, interested agad tayo.
Yes,
Oo.
yes. So sa podcast kasi namin, it's called Life Over Whiskey.
Yes.
Co-host ako doon. We're two in the podcast. And we just talk about anything up in life, no? And I think a lot of people resonates with that. Yun yung importante when we create content out there, yung makaka-relate yung nanonood.
Yung nanonood.
May kapupulutan ng aral.
Yes,
Lalo sa,
whole
sa amin,
essence.
sa mga millennials.
Yes,
Exactly.
millennial.
Sa mga millennials katulad natin,
Yes, katulad natin. Katulad
Yes,
natin.
gusto ko yun.
syempre, we're very purposeful eh.
Yes po.
We really want na if we contribute our time, energy, and effort, talents natin into something, meron siyang pupuntahan eh. May direction talaga. And yung ano ba yung purpose natin in life?
Yes po.
Why we do what we do.
Yes. Sir
Importante.
Brian, yung anong course yung way back? Kasi curious eh.
Ako,
Ang
sobrang-
galing niya magsalita, the way he talk, kung
Parang
paano siya.
mascom.
Ay, naku, hindi ako
Ay, hindi
mascom.
ba? Hindi siya mascom.
Sobrang unrelated
Unrelated
Oo,
ba?
sobrang unrelated yung course ko. I finished Electronics and Communication Engineering in UST.
ECE,
Hello sa ating
UST.
mga UST alumni out there.
Sa mga
go
Tigers.
Ste.
I guess.
Go Ste.
Ste.
But yeah, I think what the course was for me is more on honing yung analytical skills ko. And that helped me become who I am today. Pero may mga, alam mo yun, sa buhay natin all throughout our life, meron siyang mga hints eh.
Yes.
Na san ba't ka ba talaga?
Opo, tama.
It's just a matter of how can you listen to those cues, if you get what I'm saying.
Yes,
Opo, yes po.
So throughout your life, habang bata tayo, parang gusto ko yung nagpa-troubleshoot ako, nabubuting-ting ako, alam mo yun. And siguro nung college ako, na open ako sa production work. Kaya yung mga background people behind the scenes right now, and kinikilala ko kasi I'm always fascinated, honestly, with the production work. So much so that I tried to do photography freelance work.
Opo.
Mga debut-debut pa, ganyan.
Yun po talaga yung passion nyo.
So parang I like how, you know, how to capture something. I mean,
So photographer kayo way back kung ganun.
hindi naman like professional photographer.
Hindi naman
Oo,
siya.
oo.
So, parang tinatry ko lang secondary shooter ako in those projects na yon.
Opo.
So parang natutuwa lang ako kasi you're basically capturing something.
Opo.
You're creating an image, you're
Yes.
creating a video, right? So and mas powerful video kasi you're telling a story.
Yes po, tama.
So, Sir Brian, meron ba kayong sabihin natin business? Ano pang pangalan ng business nyo?
So yung business ko is called Cloud Studio.
Cloud
Inc.
Studio. So, paano po kayo
Among the
nagka-
many businesses that I have right now, Cloud Studio Inc. talaga yung sinimulan ko during the pandemic actually. So during the pandemic, I saw the demand for virtual events.
Yes. So,
Ayan, so alam naman natin that people are locked inside their homes,
Apo.
Yes.
but some businesses would still want to reach out dun sa target audience nila.
yun po
Yes,
yung nag-hit nung pandemic.
Yes.
Pero
Nag-hit
before
ng
pandemic po,
May ibang business pa po ba kayo? Or
Family business.
Family
so I was
business.
included sa family business namin. We're into the financial services industry. Sa yellow company, syempre, hindi pa. So yellow company na lang. But that's the family business. I went into it, but I found myself, alam niyo Ikigai? Do you know the concept of Ikigai?
Ikigai yung-
Yes,
Apo,
reason
yes
for
po.
being. So may mga multiple reasons or facets in life that
Yes.
makes it worthwhile.
yes.
You know, I just found na dito yung passion ko where it hits all the aspects.
Yes po.
Apo.
Paano
Which is
kayo
the
nag-come up sa name na Cloud Studio?
Tsaka paano siya nagsimula, di ba?
Oo,
Apo.
ganun, oo.
Parang sarap mag-reminisce, no? Cloud Studio. Bakit nga ba Cloud Studio?
Yes.
Honestly, way back, naisip ko na you know how there's content houses out there. Pero back then, wala pa talaga eh. Parang during the pandemic, nagkaroon ng mga
Apo.
TikTok house.
Yes, doon talaga
Ayan,
nag-start.
oo.
Oo.
I think isa sa Pilipinas, sila Payamansion, di ba?
Apo,
Payaman.
payaman siya.
But basically, my idea was, in the beginning, what if there's a place where you can go and create whatever content that you want?
Apo.
So that's the whole premise of why
Yes,
I thought about the business.
Apo.
So yung Cloud Studio, bakit siya Cloud Studio? The primary vision for Cloud Studio is really to make content creation accessible and affordable for everyone. Wherever, whenever. Kaya siya cloud.
Okay.
There can be an approach
Apo.
where hindi mo naman kailangan to, of course it's nice to have a good studio like this, right? Shout out kay TV Maria.
Yes.
But alam mo yun, we don't want people to feel restricted na kailangan natin ng ganitong quality production for you to put your message out there. So kaya siya cloud. We can produce
okay po.
podcast, habang virtual.
Yes. oo.
We can maybe do a live stream.
Flexible. Oo.
Parang ang
Flexible siya.
coffee house chat kasi BJ Mike, tsaka Sir Brian.
Kala ko sabi yung katawagin mo ko BJ Brian.
Hindi pa. Si Prof. Sai po kasi tsaka si Coach Ayet, virtual lang po sila dati talaga.
Yes. Coffee house chat, virtual lang before.
Opo, tas ngayon, iba na kami, mga kabusin. Thank you so
Meron
much,
tayo
TV
studio.
Maria.
Sige po. May studio
Ayan,
maganda,
sige,
no?
sige, balik po tayo ulit doon. Sir Brian, banggit niyo po kasi about mga nagko-content. Meron na po ba kayong mga nakatrabaho na mga sikat na creative content?
Creators, artists.
Opo.
Honestly, yes. During when I started the Cloud Studio, the
Apo.
business, nahasa talaga ako sa technical directing skills. And from then on, syempre, if you're someone in the back end, naintindihan mo kasi yung paano nag-work yung mag-work lahat na, especially yung mga configurations of the equipment. So much so that na-introduce ako
Apo.
sa mga ibang tao. I've had the privilege to work maybe in companies that I can mention.
Yes.
Kasi yung iba may NDA. Like for example, East West Bank,
Apo.
Metro Gaisano Malls. Nag-produce kami ng live stream for them. And many more.
Yes.
When it comes to naman mga artists, nakilala ko kasi si Denise Dorhel.
Opo, nakita nga po namin yan, opo.
So may mga the vlogs na ako yung nasa likod, na
Opo.
ako yung nagsiset up ng back end, especially when it comes to the audio. So tapos binaback up ko rin yung mga camera. So sabi ko, we need to have backups kasi we
Opo.
don't know what's gonna happen
Yes,
in post-production.
tama.
So sinuportahan ko si Denise. Also had the privilege to be part on one recording ni Will Dasovich
Yes.
for his podcast naman na Superhuman. So, yun ang mga some of the projects that I was able to be part of.
Ayan. Nabanggit kasi 'di ba pandemic siya nag-boom, 'di ba?
Yes,
Maraming
yes.
mga business po na ang daming naging problems po during the pandemic. May naging problem po ba si Cloud Studio? Pero syempre, bago niyo po sagutin, yung tanong na sinabi ko po, magbabalik po
Ay, ang
tayo
bilis
dahil
naman.
yes, VJ
Sobrang
Mark.
interesting.
Medyo naputol
Oo.
tayo, pero kailangan natin mag-coffee break dahil marami pa tayong pag-uusapan with Sir Brian. Kaya naman sa mga kabuwisenyo at kabuwisenyo, magbabalik kami muli dito lang sa Coffee House Chat Behind the Notes. Magka-coffee break lang
Diyan
po
lang po
muna.
kayo.
Yes.
Cash is fleeting, yet spending for experiences lasts a lifetime. We offer visa assistance, ticketing, insurance, and accommodation for your personal and business needs. It was great. No glitches, just arrived tonight, our client said. So do you want to experience that type of fast and secure flight for you and your family? Book yours now with Flight Travel Express. Fly fast with delight.
At nagbabalik kami muli dito lamang sa
Coffee House Chat Behind the Notes Season 2.
So, ayan, VJ Mark, balikan natin si Sir Brian kasi natanong ko nga po kanina, 'di ba? Marami pong business na nag-boom, marami din pong business
Nagsara,
na ang
no?
daming nagsara. Ano po yung ginawa nyo? Tsaka ano po yung mga naging problems nyo during pandemic? Kung meron man po.
Yeah, kasi I mean at the end of the day, we can choose to see the pandemic as a blessing or a curse.
Yes.
Diba? And I think being able to shift our perspective, kung may business ka, all in good, hanap ka na lang talaga ng paraan eh.
Opo,
Paano ka
tama.
mag-survive during the pandemic. Ako naman, on the other hand, pinanganak ko yung business during the pandemic.
During the pandemic, yes.
Honestly, it was a dilemma on my end. Kasi, nagde-deliberate ako eh. Do I pursue the thing that I want? Or, yung pondo na gamitin ko pang bukas nito, panggagamitin ko na lang pang kasal.
Re-sticker pala si Sir Brian.
Hindi kasi like,
Ang
at the end of the day,
Oo.
pwede ko naman gamit sa pakasal.
Ah,
Masaya
yes,
kami ng
tama
pamilya
po.
ng asawa ko, pero wala na after that. Right? So sabi ko, why not pursue this and then make it to a point na I'm able to also provide for my family.
So may pros and cons na nangyari doon.
Yun yung dilemma ko eh.
Oo.
Parang ano ba, sisimulan ko ba to o tsaka na lang? So
Opo.
maybe sa mga nakikinig dyan, yung mga thoughts natin na tsaka na lang.
Mm-mm.
You know, you might be missing out on a lot of opportunities out there.
So how about naman Sir Brian, pagdating dun sa panahon ngayon, di ba may virtual kayong sinasabi noon? Tapos ngayon personal. So malaki ba yung naging impact sa inyo yon or malaki adjustment?
Lalo face-to-face na, di
Yeah,
ba?
definitely when
Face-to-face.
kumbaga the country opened up na, people are going out, definitely kailangan mag-pivot. Kumbaga if existing business owners pivoted during the pandemic, ako I pivoted when the economy opened.
Yes,
Basically.
oo.
So definitely may market pa rin because instead of just doing virtual,
Opo.
we can either do face-to-face or hybrid. So marami mga client right now na they see the value eh. Lalo na kapag kunyari nag-awarding ka and maybe buong country yung mga tao mo, hindi, kumbaga it's still cost efficient.
Yes, yes.
We can do a face-to-face event, pero some people who cannot join physically can be in the virtual floor or participant natin.
Alam mo, VJ Mark, nagtataka lang ako kasi 'di ba, meron tayo ditong mga guests na client sila ni XTT, friend sila ni Coach Ayet, friend sila ni Prof. Sai. Tanong ko lang kay Sir Brian, kung ano yung connected nyo po, or kilala nyo po ba si XDT?
Prof. Sai, oo.
Prof. Sai.
Naku, actually, alam mo, people in the creative field kasi talaga, they wanna focus on where they're good at.
Yes.
Kaya minsan, alam mo yun, parang, do I worry about filing my filing
Yes,
the taxes, di
Kasi
ba?
dapat tax compliant po tayo.
Yeah, at ako kasi, ever since I started Cloud Studio, I want to have everything above board.
Yes.
So, ever since nagsimula ako, XDT na talaga ang partner ko when it comes to my accounting services
Apo.
and filing for taxes. So, I think ito talaga yung ease of paying taxes.
Tama. Tama po.
Exactly. So, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, meron pong nilabas na batas na EOPT or ease of
EOPT.
paying taxes. Yun po ang, for me, kasi what would it be like as a business owner na may reminders ka,
Yes, tama.
minsan tinatawagan pa ako, Sir, may kailangan po tayong ayusin. At maganda pa doon, I receive emails na kiklik ko na lang, ay, magbabayad na ako.
So may mga reminders po.
May mga
Hindi kayo
reminders.
nahuhuli sa mga balita pagdating sa mga
Oo.
taxes,
Minsan
no?
mas marami pa kayo reminder kaysa sa jowa ko. so very, very much appreciated. From day one, XDT kapartner ko na sa Cloud Studio.
Iba
Go,
talaga ang XDT and Company pagdating sa pag-handle ng taxes.
Yes, tama ka dyan, VJ Mark.
So, Sir Brian, pagdating naman sa mga audiences, so sino-sino ang mga nakakanood nito? Kasi kung paano kayo gumawa ng content, ito ba ay pang youth lang, pang Gen Z, pang millennial, or pang all around? Kasi,
Ano po yung target? Target
kasi
audience na
baka
tawag.
hindi related yung iba, or di ba, mahirap mag-come
siguro
up.
when it comes to creating content, importante na you target, of course, not just the generation mo, but the younger generation
Aba.
right now. Nag-search ako kasi naalala ko, there's this reference that I wanna share with you na, did you know the attention span ng human noong 2000s is 12 seconds? Today, 2015 to
2015.
2015.
Sorry, 2015 is 8 seconds na. So from 2000 na 12 seconds, by the year 2015, 8 seconds na lang attention span ng human. At alam nyo ba na ang goldfish is 9 seconds ang attention span. So meaning to say, nung panahon ng 2015, mas mahaba pa yung attention span ng goldfish kaysa sa human being.
Yes.
So what does it tell us? Kung nakikreate ka ng content if you're a business owner, or just someone who would want to start your own personal brand, you know, attention is the new currency right now. If you have attention, you would have influence,
Apo.
and mas madali sa'yo to offer your products or services out there.
Yes.
VJ Mark kasi 'di ba si Sir Brian nga nagko-content siya. Sa pag content creator ka po kasi talaga, kumikita ka. Paano po ba kumita si Sir Brian sa
Naku!
Hindi, question lang naman po. Curious lang. Baka
No,
kasi
I mean,
meron tayong mga kabuwisenya at kabuwisenya dyan na ang baba ng followers nila, gusto na rin nila pagkakitaan.
Ma-inspired.
Yes.
Alam niyo, natutunan
Oo.
ko sa content creation journey ko. Kasi, I mean, I've started creating content parang on and off since 2017. So, matagal-tagal na rin. What I notice is, if I focus on trying to earn or monetize, mas lalong lumalayo. Parang,
Yes.
parang babae lang nililigawan pag masyado kang, parang masyadong hinahabol, masyado, mas lalayo siya,
Malalayo.
di ba? So, what I find na what works when it comes to trying to earn through content creation is, number one, focus ka on who you are and where you're good at. So, it's that internal work
Yes. Ito.
na you're out there just sharing more of who you are, ano ba expertise mo,
Apo.
and kung may business ka, maganda na po-promote yung business mo. Bonus na lang na may kita ka through monetization. Pero ano nga ba yung mga avenues for monetization?
Apo.
Of course, like very, very basic sponsorships, running ads on your content. So iba-iba kasi per platform. Sa Facebook, may mga stars, di ba?
Yes, tama
Yes,
po.
oo.
Oo. So all of those things plays a role.
Yes. So, Sir Brian, paano naman kayo updated or latest sa mga gadgets or tech or sa mga application na ginagamit?
Ay, nako. Dahil troubleshooter nga talaga ako.
Yes,
A lot
oo.
of times, I find myself testing yung mga new equipments. In a sense na, mahilig ako sa makipaghalubili sa back-end kasi inaalam ko yung how it works eh. Of course, what would work for me might not work for you. Pero
Yes,
kung alam ko yung like its truest essence, yung setup and configuration, I can support you. So I'm someone na I can support in the back-end, pero pag kailangan to show up, I can. So ganun yung approach ko when it comes to that.
Nice. Ang ganda ng sagot ni Sir Brian doon, di ba? So, ang next question naman is, what is the future of social media for business owners?
Wow, ang ganda ng tanong mo, DJ Mark. Future for content natin dito sa Philippines, especially the Philippines, is nakikita na natin may wave na ngayon, is really aligning yourself as a business owners in creating short form na hindi lang just adding value but also entertaining.
Entertaining. Yes, tama
Diba?
yun.
So,
Tama.
we will want to inject, kasi sa Pilipinas, very humor sa mga tao. May meme culture din tayo dito. So, it's nice to have that in a way aligned with your branding. So, yeah, that's short form talaga. Kasi nga, attention span ng mga tao lumiliit
Yes.
na.
Curious lang din ako kay Sir Brian kasi sobrang amuse kausap, masayahin. May times din ba na na-down kayo sa self nyo?
Oo naman, oo naman.
Dumating
Hindi
din kayo sa point na gano'n.
susceptible din tayo dyan. I
Yes.
think, like any other person would be. But the thing is, hindi naman kasi natatapos dun eh.
Yes.
So ako, one of the pinaka-top strength ko kasi is positivity.
Positive.
Positive.
Wow.
So, positivity, hindi naman yan ibig sabihin na I do not feel or I parang invalidate yung mga negative emotions. I still feel it. Pero when I acknowledge it, hindi ko na siya maybe tinatambayan. Or more than that is, okay, what does this tell me? Ano ba tinuturo sa akin ito? Pero nakikita ko lagi yung, as cliche as it may sound, the light at the end of the tunnel.
Yeah, positive.
Yeah.
Positivity tayo lagi, no?
Yes.
Hindi tayo kahit nag-hit sa atin yung negative, mas gusto pa nating mangibabaw yung positive. Kasi yung parang sa buong araw, gusto natin matapos yung gagawin natin ng masaya.
Yes,
Walang
tama.
hirap na nadarama. Ganon, di ba?
Tsaka life is not just all the good stuff.
Yes, tama.
Yes, totoo
As
po
the
yan.
moment that we embrace the good and the not so good ones, I think that's the moment that we're truly living eh.
Ayan, so syempre, Sir Brian, may gusto kasi sana po akong tanungin. Pero
Ano yan?
syempre, bago ko po kayo tanungin, magko-coffee break po muna ulit tayo.
Grabe,
Kasi
hot
eto-
seat ako dito,
Yes, actually po, Sir Brian, marami po akong katanungan sa inyo dahil syempre sa mga katulad po naming millennial, marami din pong nanonood dyan.
Ako din, sama mo naman
Ay,
ako sa...
yes, tayong mga
Tayo-
millennial.
Alright,
Marami
yes,
po diyang
mga
nanonood na
millennials.
ano ba yung mga effective na content na pwedeng gawin sa mga audience, di ba?
Yes,
Kaya
tama.
naman sa mga kabuwisenyo at kabuwisenya, magbabalik po kami dito sa
Coffee House Chat Behind the Notes.
Magko-coffee break lamang
Diyan lang
po
po ulit
ulit
kayo.
At nagbabalik muli ang Coffee House Chat Behind the Notes
Season 2!
Ayan, VJ Mark, gaya nga ng sinabi ko kanina kasi syempre may mga millennial po tayo na nanonood na gumagawa ng mga content create pero
contents, yeah. Oo.
pero hindi effective sa mga viewers po nila. Ano po ba sa naging kayo po since gumagawa po kayo ng mga content? Ano po yung mga sa tingin niyo na mga naging mas effective po sa mga viewers?
Ang ganda ng question mo. Actually, what comes into mind is don't create for other people. Create for yourself. Kasi a lot of times ngayon, like, yun yung uso, di ba? Tapos parang nakikiride ka lang sa trend.
Yes.
Pero hindi naman talaga yun ikaw. So, think yun yung unang layer na kailangan mong ma-solve talaga eh. Understanding who you really are.
Yes.
Meaning, kunyari, ako, I'm a very spontaneous person. Right? And I like to have conversations like this one.
Yes.
So, sobrang sakto sa akin yung podcast, honestly. Tsaka, in terms of editing naman, walang masyadong friction for me. So, it's just conversation with you eh.
Yes, tama
Yes,
po.
yes.
So, it's really that eh, understanding who you are first. Para when you go out there, you can be as authentic, you can be sincere. People will feel that, honestly, people will feel that kung fini-fake mo lang siya.
Yes.
Yes, tama po.
Emotion, yeah.
And of course, they will feel that they can trust you. Last thing you want to happen is you create content that is so disassociated to who you are in real life, na pag nakilala kita in real life, parang hindi siya yun na. Yung nakilala ko online. So, yun ang mga iiwasan talaga natin. So, yun ang ang pwede kong ma-advise.
So, BG Sharon, di ba kanina may problem nga ako? Sa mga tips na binigay ni Sir Brian, yung mga sagot niya, ang gaganda na talagang tatatak, hindi lang sa akin kundi sa mga kabuwisenyo at kabuwisenya natin. Kasi, first of all, alam natin mga audience.
Yes, tama.
Yung mga audience natin, sa nabi ni Sir Brian, hindi lang sa youth, katulad natin, sa lahat, all around siya, na alam mong papatok. Tapos sunod nun yung mga content,
Yes,
di ba?
tama.
Na, gagawa ka ng content, hindi dahil yun ang patok.
Yes,
dahil
tama.
doon ka sa...
Siguro breakdown ko lang, tatlo. Understanding
tatlo.
who you are.
Okay? Understanding who you are.
Understanding who you are, understanding your target audience.
Yes,
Target
tama.
audience, yes.
Right? And the last one, maybe as I was thinking kanina kung ano yung parang process nyo, no? Creating content that is aligned to your branding talaga, who you are.
So, yung tatlo na yun, para sa akin, para makakapag-start na ba ako ng content? na
Mamaya,
maganda, di
may
ba?
content ka na mamaya, BJ Mark. Pagkatapos ng segment natin.
Oo,
Abangan ko yan,
papatulog
ha?
Sir
BJ Mark,
Brian.
abangan ko yan.
Oo, sige Sir Brian, abangan nyo. Siguro hanggang midnight. Joke lang.
Sige, I'll hold you to
So, regarding naman po dun sa trends, since diba kanina, regarding sa mga trends natin, na-open up nyo siya, what if naman Sir Brian, dumating din ba sa point na sa unang linggo nag-trend siya, tapos bigla siyang bumagsak on the second week, tapos
naman.
up, down. Di ba sir, may ganun
kasi
naman?
like when you are sure na
Apo.
about who you are and maybe finding a content style that suits you, syempre, hindi naman laging highs or laging
Apo.
nag-viral ang content mo. It comes in waves.
Yes.
Ako,
oo.
para sa akin, virality comes in waves.
So may backup
hindi
kayo.
laging viral ang content mo. Pero, I mean, just like monetization, if you're focused on the views, you're gonna live and die by the views. Alam mo yun? So, sobra kung you're gonna be attached with how many people are watching it.
Yes.
Tapos, because, maraming nag-watch dito, yun ang gagawin ko, pero hindi na
Yes.
pala ako yun.
Opo.
You would find that over time, parang masaya pa ba ako sa ginagawa ko?
Yes,
Yes,
tama.
Diba? So, again, virality comes in waves.
So, Sir Brian, yung sa tools naman, pwede nyo ba kami mabigyan?
Tips?
Oo,
Tools!
tips. Oo, tools.
Ako, baka maging technical tayo dito. Hindi, I mean, there are programs out there, and even content naman that you can consume, maybe over YouTube, where andun yung mga instructional guides on
Yes, tama.
on how to create content. Pero don't have that idea na kailangan mo ng, again, like a very high-end production quality
Yes,
setup
tama.
Yes, oo.
for you to start creating content. Ano ba ang existing resource that you have?
Tama.
Which is
resources.
your
Oo.
phone.
Yes, oo.
Ito yung pinaka-basic. And with the quality of the recordings right now, good na siya eh.
Yeah.
Diba?
Yes, tama.
So I
po,
think,
Sir Brian. Oo.
one bias ko sa talaga is, when considering equipment, is it should be functional and portable.
Functional and portable, yes.
Yes. So, I mean, ito, like, you have this all the time. Why not make use of it?
Yes po.
Hindi natin nagamit to its fullest potential.
Yes, tama po. Sir Bryce, sorry po. Dahil patapos na rin naman po tayo dito
Ay, wow.
sa segment. Opo, dito po kasi sa Coffee House Chat, lagi po
Akala ko
namin...
mga 3 hours pa tayo.
Pwede naman po natin ipagpatuloy, di ba? Sa
Yes,
mga susunod na
pwede.
segment, di ba?
Oo,
Bakit
another
hindi
naman
po?
topic. Oo.
Yes, dito po kasi, Coach Bryce, sa Coffee House Chat namin, lagi po namin tinatanong bago magtapos yung mga guests namin, baka po meron kayong mga key
Key
takeaways
takeaways,
para
oo.
po sa mga kabuwisenyo at kabuwisenya po natin. Pwede niyo po i-share po.
Yeah, should I share the personal one?
Yes, yes po.
Sige. So, I guess I prepared yung personal quote ko. Ito favorite ko talaga of all time.
Yes, sige po.
It's in a way religious at the same time. So it goes as, our deepest fear is not that we are inadequate. Our deepest fear is that we are powerful beyond measure. It is our light, not our darkness, that most frighten us. We ask ourselves, who am I to be brilliant, gorgeous, talented, fabulous? Actually, who are you not to be? You are a child of God. Your playing small does not serve the world. There is nothing enlightened about shrinking so that other people won't feel insecure around you. We are all meant to shine as children do. We were born to make manifest the glory of God that is within us. It's not just in some of us, it's in everyone. And as we let our own light shine, we unconsciously give other people permission to do the same. As we are liberated from our own fear, our presence automatically liberates others. So this is a quote from Marianne Williamson, a book about A Return to Love,
Return to
reflections on the principles of A Course in Miracles. So I love this quote simply because we feel kasi, a lot of us feel that the world is a dark place.
Yes.
Not because there are a lot of bad people,
Yes.
but maybe because there are a lot of good people choosing to hide their light. And yun siguro, one thing that I want to impart, my last message is, you know, if you have something to share, huwag mo pagdamot. And huwag ka magtago. So maybe the content that you're gonna make can literally save a life. Ayan.
Ayan. So, syempre, thank you so much, Sir Bryce. Sobrang lalim.
Saan nga pa ulit kayo, Sir Brian, makakokontak?
Ayan, so you can reach us at Cloud Studio Inc. We are available on all social media platforms out there. If you want to listen to our podcast, Life Over Whiskey,
Yes.
over all
Yes,
social
Life
media
Over
platforms
Whiskey,
as
yes.
well. Kung gusto nyo naman, yung parang bago naming venture, which is Pod Truck, ayan, so para siyang podcast on wheels, no? So
Wow.
check it
Yes.
out as well.
Ayan. Thank you so much po,
Thank you
Sir
so much,
Bryce.
Sir
Thank you so much. Oh, na-enjoy ko
yes.
to.
Opo,
Thank you,
sana
Shannon.
susunod po
Same.
ulit. Yes. Kaya naman sa mga kabuwisenyo at kabuwisenyo natin, maraming salamat po ulit sa pag-antabay at laging pagsuporta po dito sa Coffee House Chat, lalo na po sa TV Maria. Kaya naman wag niyo po kaming kakalimutan i-follow, i-like, i-subscribe po yung TV Maria, Coffee House Chat, XDT and Company Inc., Fly Travel Express, Prof. Sai and Coach Ayet.
Yes, tama kayo dyan, VJ Shannon. So, huwag kalimutan mga kabiwisenya at kabiwisenya yung mga sinabi ni VJ Shannon. So, I'm your VJ Mark.
I'm your VJ Shannon.
At ito ang Coffee House Chat Behind the Notes. Leading with purpose, guided by values.
Ayan, thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much, Sir
Sige,
Brian.
Maria, maraming salamat.
Yes, thank you so much po.
Thank you po, TV Maria.